Welcome everyone. You've set the Earth wallpaper, but it's not showing your exact location. For the location to work, the first step is I want you to open the settings, and inside of the settings, I want you to scroll all the way down until you see here, privacy and security. You are then going to locate at the top, location services, and if you haven't already, turn on location services. Then locate the astronomy app and make sure while using the app is on, and if you would like, turn on precise location, but this is optional. Now you will see your exact location. I'm in the UK and it's showing it right there. With that being said, if you would like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.